Once the Industrial Revolution changed how manufacturing firms operate and how they create and capture value, and today another revolution is changing industrial sectors like automotive, chemicals and oil and gas with unprecedented speed, and it will change the very nature of how companies do business. We observe three interrelated digital trends: data and analytics, the smart factory, and digital business ecosystems. So data and analytics refers to an improved availability of real-time information which companies can use to improve decision-making. We will see the use of big data, which will further accelerate, for example, the use of simulations in new product development and product design, where we will also see an increase in the use of augmented reality, for instance. Then the smart factory, including artificial intelligence and advanced robotics, refers to the interconnected factory, where we have smart machinery that is capable to learn and capable of making its own decisions. And this has the potential to reduce downtime and improve production efficiency. And finally, the digitization of business ecosystems offers the opportunity to interconnect more players in the market. So we will see more open business ecosystems and a further fragmentation of value chains, which will give rise to new platform or hub business models and increase co-specialization among different players.